Google Pixel 10 Pro versus iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start with the Google Pixel 10 Pro. So it is the 2025 flagship Android phone of Google, featuring new Tensor G5 chip for the peak AI performance and highest quality photos and videos. So its pros is it offers strong hardware specs, a big emphasis on the software and AI enhancements, a good value relative to the flagship pricing, and it's great for Android users who want a top-tier camera and performance. Then we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is an excellent build. It is iPhones and Apple's flagship 2025 top-tier phone and offering an A19 Pro chip with a 48 MP rear camera and 8 times optical quality zoom. So for the pros, it has an excellent build plus a performance for the Apple's A19. It even features a hardware and excellent ecosystem with outstanding camera system and 8 times optical zoom and quality zoom. As you can see, it also offers options and features depending on your needs. Now, the costs though, it has a premium price and can be expensive. So overall, if you were to choose which one of them is better, then the winner overall is the iPhone 17 Pro Max, especially for the camera, because it offers max slightly edges ahead for most users, especially those within the Apple ecosystem, because it offers top tier and top build quality powerhouse and camera system compared to the Google Pixel 10 Pro. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications